and it just retains the last value. Okay, so they're climbing. All right, let's send 10,000 pings. Right, and we can see we've got some cylinders here. Actually, let's make the count, let's make the size bigger. Instead of sending more, let's make it larger. Oh, I just did that. Let's make it even bigger. And let's refresh the container. Right, so there's our input rate and our output rate. Okay, see, waiting for data. That's unfortunate. I gotta work on that. I was just trying to handle the error for now, but I see now that I need to make that a static variable. All right, now they've really jumped up. Check it out. They're almost off of the chart here because of the massive pings we're sending through. Right, and I just refresh that. And now we can see even the shadows from the cylinder from the light sources. Pretty neat. Pretty neat stuff.